Hi everybody, it's Miss Dawn and I'm here today to talk to you guys about measurement. So I have some tree objects here, as you can see, and I have some of my cubes. And we're going to measure these objects and compare them, which means we're going to see which one is the biggest, which one is the smallest. So the first thing that we're going to compare is my tree round. So I'm going to move my camera down and I'm going to take my cubes. I'm going to line them up. Do you guys notice anything about my cubes today? They're different colors, but what do you notice about the cubes? Yeah, they do. They look like the colors of the leaves during fall. That's pretty cool if you guys notice that. All right, so I measured my tree round. And let's count how many cubes it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Miss Dawn's going to find her numeral 7 here to show you guys. And there is my numeral 7. So my tree round was 7 cubes. Now I'm going to measure my little branch here. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to stack up the cubes until there are as many cubes as the tree is tall, or the branch. Okay, I think that's about right, don't you? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 4. Let me see if I can find my numeral 4 here. You know what would have helped if Miss Dawn put them in order? Silly Miss Dawn. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Seriously, where's my numeral 4? Oh no! Oh, 4. Okay. Now we're going to measure my pine cone. You ready? Let's see. Do you think the pine cone is going to be smaller or bigger than my branch over here? Do you think it's going to be bigger or smaller? Oh, it looks like it's going to be bigger. We're going to keep going here. Oh, this one might actually even be bigger than my tree round. Let's see. Looks like one more ought to do it. Don't you agree? Yes? Awesome. All right. Let's count how tall my pine cone was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Miss Dawn's going to find the numeral 9. There is my numeral 9, and I have my 9 cubes right here. All right, the last thing we're going to measure is the stick. And the sticks come off of the branches and the limbs that are on a tree. So much fun working with trees, isn't it? Because we could do this stuff. We can measure everything from parts that we get outside. And if you don't have cubes, that's okay, because you can measure with pennies. You can measure with your hands. You could do like this. You can measure with shoes, with spices, whatever. You can measure with whatever. All right. There's my stick. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is my numeral 10, and here are my 10 sticks. My 10 cubes. Silly Miss Dawn. So let's see which was the biggest. Let's compare now. Which is the biggest and which is the smallest? Which is the biggest? Yes, the stick was the biggest, and the smallest was my little branch here. Miss Dawn didn't even realize that when she measured everything out, she already put it from tallest to shortest. I want to see how well you guys can measure at home, finding tree parts and non-standard units of measure. That's what it's called when you're not using a ruler or a yardstick. So you can use cubes, you can use pennies, you can use your fingers, you can use your hands, shoes, whatever you want to measure for me. Let me see how well you guys can measure your tree parts at home. And I am very proud of the work that you guys have been doing. I love and miss you guys very much, and stay safe and healthy out there. Bye.